Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
At a market, the shopkeeper was selling the quilt to a boy. The boys were wearing a quill cap and waiting in a queue. The girl was standing near them playing with the quill. Have fun everywhere. Dear kids, let's meet with a new alphabet, Q, and its sound is Qu. Qu, Qu, Queen. Qu, Qu, Quill. Qu, Qu, Quilt. Qu, Qu, Q. Qu, Qu, White. Qu, Qu, Quill. Dear kids, what colors do quills' feathers have? Can you imagine quills pecking the seeds? See you in the next lesson.